Did you know that there are refill options for your foaming soap dispenser that are up to 10 times cheaper? The only thing you have to know is which soap to go for and how to take the lid off the bottle. But rest assured, I'll show you that super easy when you know exactly what you're doing. Hey, what's up? If you're new here, my name is Ties and my main goal is to provide you with useful information about everyday smart tech products. Quick little refresher, this is the Xiaomi Mi Automatic Foaming Soap Dispenser. Great product, foaming soap without a touch within a quarter of a second, but there are a few things I do want you to know. First, the price of this thing online is all over the place, so take your time when ordering one. Second, bear in mind that the bottle of soap isn't always included, make sure to check that out as well. And third, the only thing you can unfortunately be sure of is that batteries are not included. That's probably the reason why I only paid 20 bucks for this combination. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description for the best batteries out there, and yes, I'm still desperate. Besides all this, I like it. It's an easy to use, well-built, plastic fantastic device that would almost be perfect if the branded refills wouldn't cost 5 bucks a piece. Now Xiaomi clearly doesn't want us refilling these because she can't easily remove the lid by twisting it. I actually broke it using a pipe wrench, and when it stopped working after that, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I still had to order a new Xiaomi branded refill and a few more in case I would keep messing up. But to my surprise, it didn't work with the new bottle either, so I started investigating and I discovered the broken screw thread within the device. So just like with the Google Nest Protect, I managed to destroy another product. Either I don't know my own strength or it's not as well built as I thought it was. So whatever you do, when inserting the bottle in the dispenser, just give it a short twist clockwise. Just don't overdo it like I did. So how to open it then? Just use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the lid evenly all around until it pops off. To refill this as budgetly friendly as possible, I purchased 5 liters of heavenly smelling creamy soap, but unfortunately that didn't dispense anything. Comparing it to the viscosity of the branded refill, it was clear that it was just too thick. So the trick is to put 1/3 of creamy soap in the bottle and add 2/3 of water. Then shake it, reassemble it, trigger the sensor a couple times, and voila! It dispenses perfectly foaming soap. But we're not there yet because the world of soap is a slippery slope, everyone. There are so many different versions I didn't even know existed, and I ultimately discovered the holy grail, foaming soap. Who could have guessed, right? So this stuff is obviously made for this dispenser, and you can tell straight away it's way more liquid, just like the original stuff. It doesn't pour as controlled as the creamy soap though, so a funnel is definitely not an unnecessary luxury. Anyway, even though this soap smells horrible, it also works like a charm. But it's not like it produces better foam compared to the water-diluted creamy soap. So it's fair to say they're pretty evenly matched, but not when it comes to savings. A Xiaomi refill costs around 5 bucks, which translates roughly to 167 per 100 milliliters. These giant 5-liter bottles of soap, 25 bucks each, just 50 cents per 100 milliliters. That's already more than 3 times cheaper. But the diluted creamy soap option is obviously even better because we only need 1/3 for each refill, bringing the cost down to a whopping 0.167 cents per 100 milliliters. That's 10 times cheaper than the original Xiaomi refill. I haven't been able to test it myself, but this mixture might just work with every other foaming soap dispenser out there. If you can confirm this or you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to let me know in the comments below. Let's keep the savings flowing. Hope this helped you out and to see you at the next one. Take care.